Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how to log OPCUA data to CSV file using OPCAgentX software. So this OPCAgentX software will connect with any OPCUA server, whatever you specify. It will subscribe to some of the OPCUA server tag and it will log that tag values into the CSV file at certain interval. Okay, now in this video we will see how you can configure OPCUA server in the OPCAgentX software to create your OPCDA to OPCUA converter. So if you want to populate your OPCDA server tag values to OPCUA server, then you can use this OPCAgentX software to do that, because this software supports the OPCUA server functionality. So you can create your own OPCUA server in the OPCAgentX software. So it will collect the data from OPCDA server and then it will forward or route the data to OPCUA server, which we have built inside the OPCAgentX software. So basically it will work as a OPCDA to OPCUA converter. Okay, so how to do that? So that thing we are going to cover in this video. So here is our OPCAgentX software, and I'm going to browse the available OPCDA server in my system to read the data from those OPCDA server. Okay, here we have the list. I'm going to connect with metric and OPCDA simulation server. We are connected. I will browse the simulation items folder and then random folder, and I'm going to subscribe to this 3 tag. Okay, here we have the tag values which is updating at certain second. Now we want to publish this tag value to OPCUA server. So we have to configure OPCUA server inside the OPCAgentX software. So here you can go to the tools. Here you have the option of UA server. So we are going to create the OPCUA server inside the OPCAgentX software. So I'm going to click on the UA server. You have to click on the pencil to configure the UA server functionality. So we are going to enable the UA server. We will upload our data, or we will update our data in the UA server at interval of 1 second, and the server IP. So here you have to provide the localhost IP address of your system. So I'm going to provide 127.0.0.1. Now the server port, so you can choose any server port. So I'm going to choose 5005. Now the server name, so I'm going to provide my server name for OPCUA is OPCAgentX. Okay, and then we will press OK. Now if you didn't encounter any new window on your screen, then you have to stop the runtime and then you have to start the runtime to make the changes. Okay, and here you can see we have a new window which is OPCUA server expert. Okay, and here is our endpoint URL for our OPCUA server which we have created using this OPCAgentX software. And we can copy this endpoint URL. Okay, and I can open the UA expert software, which is our OPCUA client software. I can click on the plus, and here we will go to the advanced, and here I'm going to provide the name which is OPCAgentX OPCUA server, and here we will provide the endpoint URL of that server. Okay, and it's anonymous, so I'm going to leave all the setting as it is because we don't have any security policy and the security mode, and I'll just press OK. And we will click on this button, connect server, and here you can see it is connected. And here in the tags folder we have this 3 tag folder: random integer 1, random integer 2, and random integer 4. And here also you can monitor the tag value. Okay, so this is how you can use this OPCAgentX software to create your own OPCDA to OPCUA converter. So it will collect the data from any OPCDA server, and then it will populate that data or deliver that data via OPCUA server to any of your IT application. Okay, it can be your MES, it can be your SCADA system, it can be your any dashboard. Okay, anything. So I hope this thing is clear, that how to use AgentX software to create your own OPCDA to OPCUA converter. And if you have any questions or any doubt in this, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, anywhere. And this OPCAgentX software is in the trial mode, so it will only support 20 tag. Okay, and if you want to buy the license, then I will provide the link in the description from where you can buy the license. So let's meet in the future videos. Till then, take care. Goodbye and thank you.